Hello! Today we're going to learn the letter R saying R. Can you say R? And again, R. Well done! First, we're going to look at some pictures of things that begin with the sound R. See if you can join in. R, ring. R, rain. R, road. R, rabbit. R, rocket. R, rainbow. Ring, rain, road, rabbit, rocket, rainbow. Good job! Now we're going to look at two pictures and you've got to say which one begins with the sound R. Are you ready? Ruler or helicopter? Which one begins with R? That's right! Ruler begins with R. Ruler. Monkey or rope? Yes, rope begins with R. Rope. Robot or orange? That's right! Robot begins with R. Robot. Rose or burger? Well done! Rose begins with R. Rose. Wow, good job! Now we're going to play thumbs up, thumbs down. If the picture begins with R, you put your thumbs up. If it does not begin with R, you put your thumbs down. Are you ready? Does ant begin with R? No, ant does not begin with R. Does roof begin with R? Yes, roof begins with R. Roof. Does river begin with R? Yes, river begins with R. River. Does pizza begin with R? No, pizza does not begin with R. Fantastic learning! Now we're going to learn how to write the letter R. The letter R is a rainbow letter. It starts low down by the clouds, then it goes down, back up, over the rainbow. Follow with your finger, down, back up, over the rainbow. Let's try one more time. Down, back up, over the rainbow. Well done! You learnt the letter R saying R. Now ask your grown-up to download your fun activity worksheets to practice even more. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye!